What if the secret to rebuilding strength, protecting your balance, and staying independent after 60 was already sitting in your kitchen right now, quietly waiting for you to use it? Because that chair you walk past every day is not a symbol of weakness. It is one of the most powerful tools for reclaiming your body as you age. And I know that might sound hard to believe at first, especially if you have been told for years that real strength only comes from gyms, heavy machines, and painful workouts. But stay with me, because the science tells a very different story, one that has already helped thousands of older adults regain confidence, stability, and freedom without risking injury or exhaustion. And here is why this matters so deeply. Every single day, tens of thousands of older adults worldwide suffer life-changing falls, not because they are careless, not because they are lazy, but because quiet muscle loss, weakened balance, and slowed reactions creep in without warning. And once that first serious fall happens, life can change overnight. Independence shrinks, fear grows, and confidence fades. But here is the hopeful truth most people never hear. Falls are not an inevitable part of aging. Muscle loss is not permanent, and strength does not disappear just because you passed a certain birthday. In fact, researchers studying older adults found that simple, consistent, chair-based movements can dramatically improve strength, balance, walking ability, and even confidence, all without stepping foot in a gym and without putting fragile joints at risk. Because your muscles do not know how old you are. They only respond to one thing, being asked to work. And when you move with intention, control, and consistency, even seated movements send a powerful signal to your body that it is time to rebuild. And that is why today we are focusing on 5 simple chair exercises that work together to restore what aging tries to take away: your balance, your leg strength, your core stability, your heart health, and most importantly, your independence. And before we continue, take a moment and ask yourself, honestly, what everyday task has become harder in the last few years? Standing up from a chair, climbing stairs, walking longer distances, or simply feeling steady on your feet? Because those struggles are not failures. They are signals. And the exercises you are about to hear directly address those signals at the root, starting with the foundation of all movement, your ankles. Because most people never realize this, but when balance is lost, it is the ankles that respond first. They are the shock absorbers and stabilizers of every step you take. And when ankle strength declines, the risk of falling rises sharply, which is why simple seated heel raises and toe lifts are so powerful. When you lift your heels slowly while seated, you activate the calf muscles that help propel you forward when walking. And when you lift your toes, you strengthen the muscles on the front of your shins that prevent tripping. And when these muscles work together, your body reacts faster when you lose balance, giving you precious seconds to recover instead of falling. And the key here is not speed, it is control. Lifting slowly, lowering slowly, creating tension that tells your muscles to grow stronger. And doing this consistently can restore confidence that many seniors thought was gone forever. But ankle strength alone is not enough, because the muscles that truly carry you through life are the large ones in your thighs, your quadriceps, and these muscles are responsible for every step, every stair, and every time you rise from a chair. And when they weaken, knees feel unstable, walking becomes tiring, and pain often increases, which is why seated leg extensions are so effective, because they allow you to strengthen these powerful muscles without loading your joints, without risking a fall, and without pain. And when you slowly extend one leg at a time, squeezing the thigh at the top and lowering with control, you are rebuilding the support system your knees depend on. And this movement alone has been shown to significantly improve walking speed, reduce knee discomfort, and make daily movement feel easier again. But strength without stability is incomplete. And that brings us to one of the most overlooked areas in senior fitness, the core. Because your core is not about flat stomachs or appearance, it is your body's internal support system. The muscles that keep you upright, protect your spine, and allow you to twist, reach, and move safely. And when the core weakens, balance suffers, back pain increases, and even simple movements feel risky, which is why seated torso rotations are so valuable. Because when you rotate your upper body while keeping your hips stable, You activate deep muscles that act like a natural brace around your spine. And when combined with proper breathing, slowly exhaling as you twist, these movements wake up muscles that have been asleep for years, improving posture, reducing stiffness, and making you feel more stable when walking or standing. And now we move to an exercise that surprises many people, seated marching, because it may look simple, but when done correctly, it becomes a powerful cardiovascular and coordination exercise. Lifting one knee at a time while seated strengthens the hip flexors that help you lift your legs when walking, preventing that shuffling gait so many seniors struggle with. And when you add the opposite arm swing, you activate the brain-body connection that improves coordination and even cognitive function, turning a simple movement into full-body training that strengthens your heart without stressing your joints. And this is especially important if walking has become painful or intimidating, because seated marching allows you to rebuild endurance safely, gradually, and confidently. But now we come to the most important movement of all, the one researchers consistently identify as the strongest predictor of independence after 70, chair squats, also known as sit-to-stand movements, because this single action mirrors one of the most critical tasks of daily life. Getting up from a chair without help, and when you can do this confidently, your risk of needing assistance drops dramatically, because chair squats activate all the major muscles at once: your thighs, your hips, your glutes, and your core, while also challenging balance in a controlled way. And the secret to making this exercise transformative is not rushing. It is leaning forward slightly, pushing through your heels, squeezing your glutes as you stand, and then lowering yourself slowly, resisting gravity on the way down. Because that slow lowering phase is where strength is built. And even starting with just a few repetitions can spark rapid improvement, especially when practiced consistently. And this is where many seniors experience a powerful emotional shift, because as standing up becomes easier, fear begins to loosen its grip, confidence returns, and daily life feels manageable again. And here is the most important message I want you to hear today. You do not need to do all 5 exercises perfectly. You do not need to do them for long periods, and you do not need to do them every single day to start seeing benefits. What matters is starting small and staying consistent. 5 minutes is better than nothing. One exercise done daily is better than an entire routine done once and abandoned. And this is why chair-based exercise works so well for seniors. It fits into real life. You can do it while watching television, while waiting for your coffee to brew, or during commercial breaks. And when movement becomes part of your routine instead of a burden, your body responds, strength returns, balance improves, and independence feels possible again. So here's my challenge to you. Choose just one of these exercises today, the one that addresses your biggest struggle, and commit to doing it every day this week. Just one. Once that becomes comfortable, add another, because lasting change does not come from intensity, it comes from consistency. And if you are watching this and thinking it might already be too late, let me say this clearly. It is not. Your body is capable of remarkable improvement at any age, and the moment you decide to move, even from a chair, is the moment you start taking your independence back. So if this message resonated with you, if it gave you hope or clarity, please like this video so more seniors can find it. Subscribe to the Seniors Hub for more evidence-based guidance every week, and share this with someone you care about. Because strength is not about youth, it is about action. And your journey towards stability, confidence, and independence can begin today.